Welcome to Best Spoken English. Imran,
Have you ever felt stuck when you want to talk to someone in English,
maybe you know the words in your head,
but they just don't come out right when you're at the store, at work?
or meeting a friend.
Most people feel nervous because they think they need to use big, complex words.
But let me tell you a secret. Natural English is actually very simple. In this video,
I'm going to walk you through real-life conversations that will help you handle almost any daily situation with total confidence.
we're going to break down exactly what to say so you never have to feel shy again.
Let's start with a very common situation, meeting an old friend on the street.
Imagine you're walking near a pharmacy and you see someone you know.
In our first story, we see David and Leo.
David sees Leo and simply asks, "Is that you?"
This is a great way to start because it shows surprise.
They ask how the other is doing.
David mentions he's at the pharmacy to get medicine for his father.
This is important because it shows how to talk about family health simply.
Leo asks what the problem is, and David explains it is high blood pressure.
Notice how they use words like,
That is not good.
"I'm sorry."
You don't need medical terms. You just need to show you care.
Then they talk about work. This is a part of almost every English conversation practice for beginners.
David works in sales and Leo works in an office.
They ask each other, "Do you like your job?"
Leo admits it's hard sometimes, but David likes his work.
They end the talk by saying, "Take care" and "Goodbye."
This is a perfect, neat way to catch up with a friend without any stress.
Now let's look at a different place.
This
the
is where we
supermarket.
see Lisa and Ruchika.
Lisa is surprised to see Ruchika, and they start talking about what they are buying.
Lisa needs vegetables and Ruchika is buying food for her home.
The most interesting part of their talk is when Lisa tells Ruchika.
Your English is very good.
Ruchika explains that she has only been learning for 2 years.
Lisa is shocked. She asks,
How to learn English fast, and Ruchika shares her secret.
She says she watches videos and uses something called the shadowing method.
If you don't know what shadowing is, it's simple.
You listen to a video and repeat the words at the same time as the speaker.
You copy their voice and their speed.
Ruchika does this for just 20 minutes every day.
She says practice gives you confidence.
This is a huge tip for all of you. You don't need hours.
You just need a little bit of time every single day.
Lisa and Ruchika decide to shop together and then go to a cafe.
It's a great way to turn a chance meeting into a practice session.
While they're at the checkout counter,
We see how to talk to a cashier.
the cashier asks them to put their items on the counter and asks if they have a membership card.
These are questions you will hear every time you shop.
They talk about using a paper bag versus a plastic bag.
Ruchika pays by card, enters her PIN, and asks for the receipt.
These are the small steps that make you sound like a pro in the real world.
After shopping, Lisa gives Ruchika a lift in her new car.
This is a more personal conversation.
Ruchika is impressed by the car, but Lisa explains she has to save money because she is still paying a home EMI, or house loan.
They talk about how long is left, just one more year.
Ruchika says she likes small and simple cars because they're easy to use in the city.
This conversation helps you learn how to talk about your plans, your money, and your preferences in a very natural way.
Next, let's move to a cafe setting. We see Tom and Emma.
Tom is new to the city and asks if a seat is free.
This is a very polite way to start a conversation with a stranger.
They introduce themselves and ask where they are from.
Tom is from London and Emma is from Manchester.
They talk about their jobs.
Emma is a receptionist and Tom is a technician.
They both agree they like the cafe because it is calm and clean. By the end of the talk,
Tom asks if they can be friends and even asks for Emma's phone number.
this shows you how to make new friends using very basic English.
It's all about being friendly and asking simple questions.
But what about work? Many of you feel worried about speaking English at the office.
In our next scene, Anna looks very worried.
Her friend Emma asks what is wrong. Anna says,
My English is not very good and it's hard to talk to my boss.
she feels nervous and shy when she makes mistakes.
Emma gives her the best advice. Everyone makes mistakes.
You can improve step by step.
They decide to practice office English together.
This is a great lesson for anyone who feels scared at work.
They practice how to greet a boss by saying good morning.
Then they practice phone calls.
Emma teaches Anna that if she doesn't understand something, she should just say, sorry, can you repeat? It is that easy.
You don't have to pretend you know everything.
They also practice how to ask a question in a meeting and how to write simple emails like, please see the file.
Emma shows Anna that small steps are okay. If you practice every day, the fear goes away. Finally, we see a real-life office situation. Mr. Brown arrives for a meeting with Miss Taylor.
The receptionist is very professional.
She asks for his name, asks him to have a seat, and offers him some water.
She informs Mr. Taylor that he has arrived and asks him to sign some papers.
This is a very neat and clean interaction.
It shows that being professional in English is about being clear and helpful.
All these stories show us one thing. English is a tool to connect with people.
Whether you are talking about a sick parent, a new car, or a business meeting, you can do it with simple words.
Don't worry about being perfect.
Just like Ruchika said, practice every day for a few minutes and you will see a big change.
I really hope this video helps you feel more comfortable.
If you enjoyed these stories and tips, please hit the like button. It helps this video reach more people who want to learn.
And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel.
I'm here to help you speak better English every day.
Thank you so much for watching. My name is Imran and this is Spoken English Imran. Keep practicing, stay confident, and I will see you in the next one.